there are multiple ways to find references. Okay, the moment you start believing that this reference works, understand you're doing something wrong. Okay, how will you explain pivots to me? Do you have any logical explanation for pivots? It's a mathematical calculation for high, low, close, by 3 and all those kinds of things. There is absolutely no logical reason. Why do I look at HVNs? Because there is a very sound logic behind it, is that smart money needs time and volume, and the time and volume is displayed or shown on the charts by means of HVN. That is why HVN works. As simple as that. Why? Because if smart money has spent a lot of time and volume at a particular level in accumulating their positions, in distributing their positions, and now they want to make a move, and let's say market comes back to that level, they want to defend it, that is the place where they will do it. And if they are not ready to defend it, and if it goes through that, then you know that the smart money or the buyers who were there at that HVN are no longer interested in defending. Market is going to go to the next logical reference. Pivots, there is absolutely no logical explanation to pivots that I have found. If you have found it somewhere, please share it with me. I'll go through it. I'm always ready to expand my understanding of the markets. So I have no issues like that. Like, okay, pivots are idiotic. Things, don't look at them. No. If I understand them in a different context, I will use them. I will definitely use them. I have no objection in that. Okay, I don't feel bad about that. I immediately do it. But show me something that gives me any logical reason to believe that pivots are why they should act as supports and resistances. Just don't tell me that they act. You can see, you can observe that pivots provide support and resistances. No, that won't work for me. That is not enough for me. If you want me to believe in something, you have to give me a logical answer to that. Which any concept that I share with you, I do provide a logical explanation for that. I never just come and throw concepts in the air suggesting you should do this, do that. No, I never do that. I always share the logical explanation for a particular thing that I am asking you to do. So if you can find that, I am happy to incorporate it in our trading. I have no issues.